I'm feeling strangely sane today. I am amazing, brave today. I rearrange my brain today.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like what you see and you are new and returning, welcome. If you like what you see and you are not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button one time for your girl. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that, okay? So y'all did see your girl brushing out her hair. I went and took that band thing off of the lace area. Y'all, this wig is about 2 or 3 years. I believe it's like 2 years old, but it's still a really good wig. Like, I have no problems with this wig. So I'm just going to be touching it up a bit, and I'm going to be wearing this to a yacht party. This is actually one of my favorite wigs. Also, is one of my favorite texture wigs. I love these wigs. Y'all probably seen me wear these kind of, you know, this texture wig on different occasions. If you like follow me on other social networks, then you probably seen me wearing like a kinky straight or a kinky curly. Like, yeah, your girl love it. Everything with the kinky community, okay? So I just love it because it like mimics, you know, afro hair, black African American hair, all of that, okay? And I'm just here for the vibes, okay? Another thing you see me doing right here, I'm just, you know, reforming them baby hairs and everything like that. And I'm just going to be using my mousse to go ahead and put those baby hairs in place. I'm also going to go in with this red bold lace bold spray, and it is from Ebin, and I'm just going to be spraying just a little bit across the hairline, you know, just to put that intact. And then I'm going to go back in, well, I'm going to go in with some of this boho lace jelly, okay? And I'm just going to be smoothing that, putting them baby hairs how they need to be put, okay? So you can just see your girl doing that. And if you guys did not read the title, your girl is getting prepared to go to a yacht party or whatever. I did, however, do some content as far as like business or whatever, and then I had to go ahead and go to a yacht party. So I just went ahead and kept the makeup on that I did. So yeah, y'all, you'll be seeing that content very soon for as far as business wise. But right now you just see me getting ready, and you're gonna see the whole yacht party experience, like the outfit and the makeup. So just stay tuned. Your girl that's still doing them baby hairs, and we're gonna seal the deal with that lace spray. And this is the Got to Be Glued lace spray. Y'all see them edges on the side, don't ever play with it, no. And then we're gonna go back in and just put that band on there to like hold everything down while we are styling the actual hair. Okay, you guys, so this is the band we had on previous. When I had first applied my wig, I had just got in the shower, then I went ahead and just applied the wig, you know, before I got in the shower. And yeah, it had been on ever since. So yeah, just make sure my lace is secured and make sure them baby hairs is intact, okay? And I'm just spraying a little bit of that Got to Be Glued spray, and y'all can see me talking to my daughter. She's trying to show me her little dance she done made up, okay? Don't play with her at all. And then I'm just going to be taking my hot comb and just going through the top part of the lace, because the lace is at the front and it's also a little bit of the lace at the back. But I'm not going to be pulling this up. I'm going to be wearing this into a half up, half down. If you guys have seen my previous video where I wore this particular wig, like unboxed it, did a review on it and everything like that, then you already know about this wig. I also have other wigs with this texture, and I wear them as well. But this is a wig that I have done on this channel. I will leave the link down below for you guys to check it out that are interested, and you just want to get all the specs and details on this wig. You know, you can check out that video to see how it looked, how it came unboxed, what it was given, and how your girl installed it the first time, okay? Like a full in-depth install, okay? So right now I'm just going to be pulling that into a ponytail. And y'all, it was definitely the struggle because this hair is super thick. Like, that's one thing about it. Like, it's thick, baby, but it's so cute. I love it, okay? So yeah, it's really, really thick. And I believe when I first ever applied this wig, I used it I mean, I wore it exactly like this, like a half up, half down. So yeah, this is like one of my go-to styles. And I hope you guys are liking this video. If you have watched it this far, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up if you want more for your girl to pop out them videos with them hair videos, because I see that y'all like the way your girl do her hair videos, okay? So most definitely, if you enjoy these kind of videos, I definitely have more on the way. Okay, now I am just going to be wand curling my ends because I don't want to wear it straight today. You know, I just want to have it curled and looking kind of classy looking for my business and also for the yacht party. Like, I just want the curls at the end. Okay, I didn't want to wear it straight. Now, I'm not saying straight hair is not business, you know, but I just wanted to put some little curls in there, you know what I'm saying? Give it the vibes, because I was like, yeah, I'm not going to just be doing this for business. I'm going to be wearing this style exactly to the yacht party. So, yeah, your girl just going to go ahead and just spray that on her, put them curls, make sure them curls stay, you know, stay for the point of what we doing it for. And they did last long, and y'all going to see me after the party to know what it's looking like, because your girl did not. Y'all going to see. So you just see your girl right now just putting all them curls in, and you can watch me do that. You guys, so I'm still putting those curls in, but I did want to come over here and do a little chit chat. Okay, so life update. Your girl has just been taking days a day at a time, you know, and I have found out a lot about myself by being by myself, like you know, outside of my family.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that could take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene?
So yeah, y'all, so we're gonna be moving on into the makeup after we get these curls popping, and this is what it's looking like, y'all. This is what we're gonna be doing. Now, I really wished I would have went ahead and did my ponytail over at the top, but yeah, I just said, you know what, I ain't finna do all that. Because it was like really the struggle for me to like even get this ponytail up there, because of the simple fact your girl have these long nails on, And not to mention, your girl needed a little feel, so they kind of grew out a little bit. And so, yeah, y'all know, if you wear nails, you already know it, okay? So I'm going in with the Morphe Palette, and this is not really a tutorial. I'm just doing a lot of colors, a lot of different browns to give me like this burgundy reddish kind of payoff on my eyes. It's really still like a reddish brown, really. Oh, you guys, I'm going in with this liner. This is the black liner from the Mega Liner Wet n Wild Mega Liner. And I'm just going to be doing me like a little bitty wing liner because I don't want to, like, you know, get distracted from the lashes, okay? Like, you know how sometimes you can do your liner too long or too wide or too thick, and it can kind of distract from the lashes. So yeah, I didn't show you guys the lashes that I used or whatever, but y'all will see them at the end of the video because I will be mentioning them. Yeah, I'm just going to be cleaning up my liner just a little bit. And I did like a really, really thin liner because I was wearing like some natural looking lashes. You know, they wasn't too much of a dramatic type long lash, you know what I'm saying? Because normally when your girl do the dramatic lash, she love to do her liner a little thick, you know what I'm saying? Because it is the look. Like, this is what your girl likes to look like when I'm wearing it like that, when I do it like that, baby. Okay, so I'm just going in and I'm going to be priming my face. I already had moisturized my face and all that good stuff. And so I'm just going to be priming my face. Now, one thing I just noticed about my videos like lately, because I have been doing it in front of my curtains in my beauty room, I just feel like, yeah, y'all, I just feel like it kind of washes me out because of the black background, or maybe it could be my lighting. I'm going to be trying to, you know, I'm going to change my setup because I really feel like anytime I do anything with a black backdrop, it kind of make me look washed out a bit because, yeah, that's what I just feel like it do. So, you know, it kind of like takes away the way my lighting is. And I don't know, I saw that in my previous video, so I was just like, you know, your girl probably gonna have to do something a little different when it's coming to my backdrops because, yeah. And I've looked at my previous videos as well, some that I had with the black backdrop, and I see the same thing. Like, yeah, I look a little washed out when I got the black backdrop for some reason. I don't know if it's like you got the black hair, the black backdrop, and it kind of just wash you out. But I don't know, y'all. But however, I'm going to be figuring it out, okay? And we're going to be back into rolling and ripping and rolling, okay? So right now you just see your girl just going in with her concealers. I went in with like probably 3 concealers, and then I'm just going to be doing me like a little bright highlight, okay? And then I'm just going to be blending it on out, y'all. And yeah, that's what you're going to see your girl doing. We're going to blend it out real good, and then we're going to be going in with that lash. Great lash from Maybelline as well. And I'm just going to be going in with 2 powders as well. It's going to be the Fenty powder, and y'all know I love the Airspun powder, so I'm going to be going in with both of those after I blend this out.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love.
Okay guys, so we have made it to the powder situation. So I just decided to go in with these two powders like I said previous. I really do like the Airspun powder. I wish I would have just went in with the Fenty Beauty powder, because you know it would have been just like done. Like if y'all saw the first video of me ever using this particular powder, then you would have seen that I only went in with that and I didn't have to put like no finishing powder or nothing else on my face. But for this particular video and just what I was doing today, I just wanted to make sure my makeup was going to stay in place and intact and not sweat off. So I just went in with these two powders, okay? Now the Airspun powder, it seems to like grip all the oils off the face, and it could leave your face dry if you do not oil your face up, okay? Like you got to really moisturize your skin. Like you got to really prep your skin when you use this, okay? But if you are a person that is naturally oily, when you wear makeup, it's oily. When you do your concealer after your face, it's oily. This powder will work great for you, okay? Or if you just a person that likes the dewy feel, then you know I feel like you can just really go in with that Fenty Beauty and just call it a day, okay? Me, I wanted my makeup to be snatched because we was gonna be in the hot heat, and also because before that yacht party, I had went ahead and did some business things where I had to be on camera. So yeah, your girl was gonna have to make sure that makeup was camera ready and also intact, okay? So that's why I just decided to go in with the two powders, and I'm just doing me like a light bronzer on my face and a light contour on my face as well. Not too much, but I wanted to bring back that, you know, that color to my face, because I feel like I look a little washed out a bit. But at the same time, it all tied in together. I feel like, well, it's not that I feel like, I know for sure when I'm using a black backdrop, which I don't recommend, but it's just the way my room is set up. The colors is the black and the gold, you know, the combo. So when I'm using a black backdrop, I have a black background and I got black hair, and it could be my lighting or the way I got my lighting angled or the way my camera's angled, because I have done this same type video with these same type curtains, and yeah, I really feel like it's either the curtains or it's the lighting or it's both. So that could wash you out just a bit. Now, y'all, I looked at that camera and I said, you know what? Your girl gotta hurry up, because I looked at that time. I said, yeah, your girl gotta hurry up. So that's why y'all see me going really fast. I done did my lips and everything, and here I am, y'all. Your girl is back from the party. We had a blast. We really had a blast, okay? And this is what I'm looking like after the party. I made it back to my babies. Y'all can hear them in the background. Y'all know the vibes. This is not your normal outro. My family is super loud. I made it back to my people. Thank you, God. Yeah, I'm rocking my Maya. These lashes off of vitallashhouse.com. vitallashhouse.com. You guys can go ahead and look in the description box and check it out. I'll leave the name to them as well, okay? Thank you guys so much for getting ready with your girl. I will insert some clips because your girl was lit. Yeah, lips kind of giving ashy right now because all my stuff is gone. The best bet is to just do it over. This is the Fenty Glow. Yes, y'all, so this is what it's looking like. I thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. This is me after the party though. I did my lip over, but I ain't do nothing else over. This is just me after the party. The party was fun. I had a really great experience. Y'all can hear my family in the background like I said before. Yes, y'all, so this is what we looking like.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight.